Even in those days when I started the business, I had to talk about how technology could solve problems, and I would often recommend technology to clients. And that's how it started, basically. So Anitech was just me for the first 10 years. I was involved in an audit with Big Four consulting firm who audited the company that I was working for at the time, which was CSR. And one of the consultants actually really liked my approach in compliance, and he suggested that I should either join a Big Four or start my own business. And I really had a bit of a think about it at that point, and then decided to actually start my own business. Risk is all about the uncertainty in business, and it can be any type of risk that businesses are trying to mitigate, from safety risks to financial risks to quality risks or environmental risk or information security, data, all of these, and plus many more. There's a number of risks that a business can get disrupted if they don't manage it properly, particularly from a compliance perspective, because in Australia, it's a highly regulated industry through our regulators, a lot of legislation in every state. Our role now is really to help businesses navigate that risk landscape with real-time and data, which tells them about themselves as a business so that they can make fact-based decisions. I feel AI is as big as when the computers came on. For me, it wasn't just policy or procedure writing to manage risk. It was, how do you actually implement it on the ground? What's the cost to the business? How are you going to improve your efficiency? So by putting in controls and managing risks, we've done services for so long. We had very limited knowledge on how to actually develop a product as such, and that to a software product. Although we had done little, we've evaluated, we've done some little miniature, little automated things, but personally I've done some little programs that are executable files, if you like, but nothing to this scope and scale.
When people in consulting come to me and they say, I'm just going to put all our customers on the platform, it's not that simple. And I think you may have found that a little bit too.
I think there's a lot in the software world around marketing, and the sales activities have to be very strong, and really introducing the product and its capability to multitude of customers. They had millions of dollars in venture capital funding, and then we were with a little prototype launching to the market, which was really hard because then